TZGS250H5 truck-mounted crane mastered the art of lifting. Today, it has just rolled off the production line. Newly upgraded tent, 5-section boom products, heavy load lifting, medium to long boom lifting, sloped lifting. You can handle them all. Let's take a look. TZGS250H5 truck-mounted crane. Fully extended boom, 18.8 ton, lifting height 20.6 m. Working radius 2.5 m. Lifting capacity for derricking and hoisting 12 t. Lifting capacity for fully extended boomed derricking and hoisting 1.5 t. Suitable for hoisting in industries such as photovoltaic, shower, nursery stock, and individual users. Lift effortlessly like a divine assistant. With thickened derricking cylinders, 15 stronger lifting performance than similar products. It features an industry-first derricking angle of 79, compared with the conventional 75 derricking. Easily enables full loading of the cargo box, eliminating the unsafe operation of using a swinging hook when loading at the front of the cargo box. The dual swing structure is more stable than the single swing one. It can operate on slopes and perform 100 load carrying swings with a wider range of operations. The 7.6 m double-stage front outrigger, wide support surface, being sturdier and safer. The 2500 kW constant temperature large radiator automatically starts when the oil temperature reaches 60 degrees. Fast heat dissipation and allows for longer operation time. Chassis paired with well-known chassis brands such as Dongfeng, Shaanxi Auto, and Shaanxi Commercial Vehicles, giving you a free choice. Industry-first innovation. Freely handle your goods. Reap abundant profits. TZGS250 truck-mounted crane makes your work easy and efficient.